Hello, my third grade friends. This is Mrs. Smith here. Today we are doing Unit 3, Lesson 14, which is the last one that we're going to do for Unit 3 because this one we're not going to be able to jump in the same room right now, so we're not going to worry about that. Okay, so we're looking at this bar graph, we're looking at this line plot, we're going to answer questions based on the information, which makes sense because that's the whole point of having these graphs, is being able to get the information from them. So the first one says 5 teams of students are riding their bikes after school to raise money for the computer lab. Every completed mile will earn the computer lab $2. The bar graph below shows the number of miles completed in 1 week. So this is important. 1 mile equals $2. Okay. So let's go ahead. What I like to do is just quickly calculate how much money each day will be. I think that's going to be helpful for us. So Friday, 100. Ooh, it's between 110 and 120, but it's not labeled. What do you think we should do, you guys? We're going to ask ourselves, what's halfway between 100 and 120? 110, right? So then what's 110 times 2 to figure out the money? 220, right? Okay. Thursday we got to 100, so double it, and that's 200. Wednesday we got to 40, double it, so it's 80. Tuesday we got to 80, so let's double that. What's that? 160. And then Monday, what's halfway between 60 and 70? Sorry, 60 and 80. I gave it to you. It's 70, right? Okay, so double 70, and what do you get? 140. Okay. How much money was earned for the computer lab on Tuesday? So we look at Tuesday. That one was this one. It's $160. How many fewer miles were completed on Monday than on Friday? So now we're talking about miles. Monday was 70. Friday was 110. So 110 minus 70 to find that difference, and that's going to be 40. 40 fewer miles. How many miles in all did the students ride? So this was 110. Here, let's make a little addition problem on our whiteboards. So we got 110, 100, 40, 80, and 70. Okay, add them up. Zeros all the way down is 0. 1 plus 4, that's 5. Plus 8 plus 7. Well, 8 plus 7 is 15. So that's 200, right? 2 groups of 10 tens. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. 400 miles. Good for them. That's great. How many more miles did students ride on Monday and Tuesday combined than on Friday? All right, so first we're going to combine Monday and Tuesday. So Monday was 70, Tuesday was 80, so 70 and 80 together is 150. And then we're going to compare that to Friday, find the difference by subtracting the smaller one, 110. So that'll be 40 more miles. There are 4 riders on each of the 5 teams. If each student completed the same number of miles, how many miles did each student ride on Wednesday? So we're going to take the Wednesday amount, which is 40, and divide it by the number of riders, which was 4. 40 divided by 4 is what? 10. Okay. Did students ride more miles on Monday and Wednesday combined or on Thursday? So Monday was 70, Wednesday was 40. 70 plus 40, what's that? 110. And then Thursday was 100. So was it more on Monday, Wednesday combined or more on Thursday? Monday and Wednesday. All right, let's turn the page. So here we are looking at a line plot. It says the physical fitness coach asked her students to walk around a track 4 times. 4 laps equal 1 mile. She recorded their times on the line plot below. So right here starts at 0, and then there's this little break here, so we don't have to have it go on forever and have like nothing at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The fastest one was 13. No one did 13.5 minutes, and then it was 14 minutes, 14.5 minutes. These dots represent the frequency, how many kids did that 4 laps in that amount of time. Okay. What is the difference between the greatest and least amount of time students took to walk 4 laps? So the greatest amount of time was 18 minutes, and the least amount of time was 13 minutes, so that's going to be 18 take away 13. Do you know what that is? It's 5. 5 minutes. Did more students complete the laps in 16 minutes or more, or in 15 minutes or fewer? So 16 minutes or more, right here, all that amount, or 15 minutes and 15.5 minutes or fewer. So you could count all these dots, but I'm pretty sure it's this. Look at all these dots over here. It seems like way more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 on this side. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Way more on that side. So 15.5 min or fewer. How many students completed the 4 laps in 16 minutes? 16 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Students. The coach recorded the times of how many students. Well, we already counted all that. So 19 plus 11. The 10s go together to make 20, and the 1 and the 9 go together to make another 10. So 30 students. How many students completed 4 laps in fewer than 15 minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's fewer than 15 minutes, right? Because it's not including those 15-minute kids. 6 students. Most students completed the laps between which 2 times? That would be the 2 tallest numbers. So it's 15 and 15.5 minutes. All right. So I hope you feel well practiced in answering questions based off bar graphs and line plots. And thank you so much for joining me. Next video will be in a new unit. So see you then. Bye-bye, everybody.